How to get Grubhub working promo codes. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of how you can get working promo codes for your Grubhub. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in Grubhub promo code. Then you will see coupons.com and there's articles as well. Just tap on any one of them. Just like so, you will be able to see all the promo codes of Grubhub. Now, if you would like to view the coupon, tap on View Coupon. Now, copy the coupon code. If you would like to redeem this code right away, tap on Visit Grubhub. As you do so, it will land you onto your Grubhub app. In case you don't have an app, it will land you to our website. From there, you can get logged into your Grubhub and just redeem the code when you make a purchase. And that is how you can find and redeem working promo codes of Grubhub. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.